The quiet command, unpacking, be quiet. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're going to dive into a commonly used phrase in the English language, be quiet. By the end of this video, you'll understand when, why, and how to use it. Let's get started. Be quiet is a direct way of asking someone to reduce their noise level or stop speaking. This might be because the noise is disruptive, or it could be due to the need for silence in a particular situation. For example, in a library where people are reading or studying, someone might say, "Be quiet," to someone who is talking loudly. While the phrase, "be quiet," is straightforward in its meaning, it's essential to understand the context in which it's used. 1. In formal settings. In a meeting, classroom, or during a presentation, the phrase might be used to bring attention or restore order. 2. In everyday conversations. Parents might use this with their children when they're being too loud, or friends might say it jokingly. 3. As a warning. Sometimes, be quiet might be used more sternly, as a warning that someone is being too loud or disruptive. However, do note that in some contexts, saying, "be quiet," can be considered rude. It's always good to gauge the situation before using it. It's beneficial to know different ways to convey the same message. Here are some alternatives. 1. Shush, a shorter and more informal way to ask for silence. 2. Can you lower your voice? A polite way of asking someone to speak more softly. 3. Let's keep it down, a gentler way to request less noise. And there you have it. Be quiet is a versatile phrase that can be used in various settings. However, like with all language, the key is to understand the context and choose your words wisely. We hope this video has shed some light on the phrase. Until next time, happy learning!